Well, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. It's Mark. Obviously, we're not going fishing today. We're not doing much of anything. Or are we? It's been a minute, you guys. I think the last time I skied was in 2007. We've broken these relics out. I mean, we do have some bluebird skies and some sick pow going on here at the lake. So, got our powder skis out. We might do a run or two in these and see how it goes. And we might break out our giant slalom skis and race for some beers. So, again, I got to thank all my sponsors. Wow. First of all, Shanka Lures, thank you again for all your support. Car Excavating. All of my 90s sponsors, Arnett, Roush, Leaky Ski Poles, Solomon, Marker Bindings. I mean, we're going to have a great day. Vintage Burtonware, too. You guys, we're going all vintage. This is all, like, look at these gloves. These are downhill racing gloves from, like, the 90s. I'm going to wear these. And all this gear is just amazing. And I've been able to keep it forever. My Burton mittens, Gore-Tex, ultra rare. And they match my jacket. Anyway, we're going skiing. Come along, let's see what happens. I haven't done it for a long time. I might suck. But we're maintaining this goal for the Olympics. As you can see, here, check this out. Good afternoon, it's Mark. Well, we're here at the rink. I'll tell you what, it's been a dream of mine to compete in the Olympics. My dream was always hockey, but a little side of me wanted to skate, like figure skate. So I'm asking anyone to pledge their support and their money to me for my dream of going to the Olympics. I'd like to thank Car Excavating for their support in this warm gear and this endeavor. I do have to preface that my skates all fell apart when I put them on. Phil can verify. See, my spotter is also being sponsored today by Car. This is great. Thank you, Sheena. Thank you, Brant, for all your support. All right. Like I said, these skates haven't actually touched ice in 19 years, so they haven't been sharpened in probably 20. And I had to go barefoot because my socks were too fat. We're just warming up. Big crack. Giant crack. Okay, I'm feeling it now. Uh-oh. It's cracking bad. Okay, I'm feeling it now. I'm glad I'm not in men's league. I'd get my ass kicked. But it's cracking all over now, so we're going to leave. Thank you for your support. We'll see you at the next Olympics. This was my bid at trying to make the Olympic figure skating team, and, well, there it is. All right, well, now that the figure skating didn't work out, let's try a different snow sport. All right, let's get after it. It's fine. Well, been a while since we did this. been a while. Oof. It's not quite steep enough. Look at that lake, you guys. Look at that. We got deer tracks and a gorgeous lake to ski to. Who else is skiing to their lake today? It's nowhere near steep enough. It's okay. Wow, you guys, that was fun. I mean, it was slow going, but we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna get tapped. Look at that. I mean, we're down here in this. Nobody's here at the lake. I don't know. There's no boats at the ramp. Awesome. That's friggin' awesome. I'm gonna have a cold one. You guys wanna have a cold one with me? It's tough to open beers with these gloves on, so. When in Rome. I love this time of year. It feels hot right now, but that's deceiving. It's about 10 degrees out. We only got about 6 inches of snow down here at the lake. But we didn't get much plow action, so it's pretty rough around here out in the burbs. So, you know, this will be gone in a few days, and then we'll be back out on the lake and not doing this. I've been waiting 4.5 years to ski down to this ramp, and today we had enough snow. So, man, it was cool. I wish we would have gotten more. There's some runs I'm gonna do around Branson that have never been done before, that have pickup points at the bases of these things. And if we can ever get enough snow, we're gonna do some Branson extreme skiing that nobody's ever done before. So look forward to that if we ever get enough snow. And at my old age, my days are numbered. I mean, I'll be 52 in a couple weeks. Cheers to that. But here comes my evac vehicle so that we can go back to the top of the run. I'd like to thank Infinity for providing the evac vehicle. After all ski race runs, all the racers put their fly hats on that their sponsors gave them. I want to thank the merchandise team at Silver Dollar City for this nice hat. Thank you, Kurt, Tammy, Tara, and Trey. In that order. Just kidding. Thanks, guys. Well, we don't have much snow to work with on this road, and I got my fat skis on. My GS skis would probably work better. They cover less surface area, but I know they haven't been sharpened in a while. So, or excuse me, I know they haven't been waxed in a while. Here we go. Oh, we're picking up miles an hour. We're going 7. Not quite, 7. There we go. We hit 8, 9, 10, 11. We were moving. I miss this a lot. Any of my subscribers want to take me skiing again? I'm not shitty, I promise. It's just been a while. Now we're moving. Those are deer tracks. We got to get some speed up. Yeah, it's just not steep enough out here. Okay, one more. We're gonna do one more run by the house and then we're done. Look at that little babbling brook. Urban skiing in Branson. It's a new thing. Good thing it's leather. Okay, take me to the top, baby. The infinity chairlift. It's my fly hat. That was fun. I got going a little bit faster. One more run to the lake, you guys, and then we'll call it a day. Right here, right here, right here. He's fine. Hi. This looks like a good spot.
Good ski weather.
That's right.
I got it all groomed for you.
You did great. Thank you.
Watch out, I'm going to go that way myself.
Oh, okay. I woke up this morning and I'm like, I walked out of the driveway and I'm like, I got to do this.
Oh, yeah.
It's been like...
When I first moved here from Colorado, I had my skis with me and did the same thing. Not here, but someplace else.
Yeah, these haven't seen any action in a while.
Be careful.
Oh, I went down already. It's slow going, but it's a good time. Have a good day.
Dude, be careful.
So fun, even though it was so slow. I love my wife. I love it that baby T's down to play my little reindeer games. Baby T. That was so fun, you guys. Whew. That was awesome. That went way better than ice skating a couple weeks ago that you guys saw at the beginning of this video. Well, thank you guys very much for enjoying this little bit of winter with me here at Bull Shoals. I don't think anybody else was skiing down here today, but I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you real soon. Take it easy.